fish flour. Steam ko na yung fish. Tapos, marinate ko na chili garlic paste. Lagyan ko ng lemon at saka salt. Then, boil ako. Basmati rice, 2 cups. Tapos, ito yung chutney. Nilagay ko ng cumin seeds, coriander, chili, at saka ginger, lemon, and salt. Saka garlic. Halagyan siya ng chili. So, okay na siya. Damihan na yung coriander. At yung rice, lagyan niya ng maraming salt. Luto na ang rice. Piliin natin i-strain. Ito na yung rice na strain natin. Lutuin natin yung chutney. Lagay tayo oil. Lagyan ng fried. Lagyan natin ng rice. Next is fish. Last is chutney. Okay, it's done. Cover, let the steam come out, high fire, and then when the steam come out, low fire. Steam come out, then low fire. For salad, cucumber and onion. Just add salt, lemon, and black pepper.